I have already welcomed the extradition of Rana. This process began in 2009, and then in 2011 it gathered pace after the US intelligence identified Rana. It's taken a long time, nearly 13, 14 years to actually extradite him to India. I compliment the External Affairs Ministry and the intelligence agencies and the NIA for successfully bringing Rana back to India after a long and arduous battle. There are many players who are involved in this. I remember in our time in the UPA, Minister Salman Khurshid and the Foreign Secretary Ranjan Mathai played an important role. And I'm sure in the present Modi government also, several foreign secretaries and several foreign ministers have played a role. I congratulate all the actors in this long saga who have worked together to successfully extradite Rana. I also thank the United States government, then government, and the present government.
How do you see this being played? Because the BJP spokesperson is saying that earlier it was not done because the appeasement politics was, vote bank politics of appeasement was at high, and at the same time some of the opposition leaders are evenly saying that this government will hang Rana to gain the vote bank in the upcoming elections of assembly elections and all.
I don't take the spokesperson of the BJP seriously. I'm waiting for an official statement from the Ministry of External Affairs or the Ministry of Home Affairs. I don't want to comment or reply to the officials, so-called official spokesman's views. These are all well known. The point is patient, diligent diplomatic efforts and legal diplomacy has brought Rana back to India, and I'm glad and I compliment all those who had a role in bringing Rana to India.